Good morning, Mitch Darcy here with Filtration Tank Cleaning and Services. Today we are on site here in, where are we, Abbotsford, working on a Hitachi excavator. Got some fuel problems, and we're going to see what we can do about that. So, here's the view from the office today.
View from the office.
There's a piece of equipment we're working on. We are a mobile service. We come to you. Rain, shine, hail, sleet, ocean, land. Alright, here we are on site, about to grab a sample of this tank so we can see what is going on the inside. Is what we're here to clean up. It's a little hard to see, but there is particulate in the bottom. There we go. Lots of particulate in there, actually. Okay. So, the desump. It's not green. Oh, look at the color difference, eh?